Hi everyone. Um, Today's look was inspired by the fact that when I woke up, I couldn't keep my eyes open. So I thought I needed a little help. I am so funny. I've got lipstick on my teeth. Great. It is great. I'm going to start with the eyes. I have a teeny tiny little brush and a little bit of brown body paint. I'm just going to draw the opening of the eye. Lovely. Don't make it too perfect, you know? Okay. I'm filling the whole thing in with red body paint. Actually, not the whole thing. I'm leaving a little bit of space at the lash line. Is that better? Okay, now I'm using some red and brown eyeshadows to set everything and kind of do a bit of shading. With a skinny little angle brush, I'm adding a tiny little bit of black right at the edges. So I'm going around the edges with a little bit of concealer. You want right at the edge where the black meets the concealer, you want it to be as sharp as you can make it. And then with a tiny little brush and a little bit of eyeshadow, you want to create a shadow, but not quite as close to the black as the concealer. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, so once you're happy with the shading and your skin looks like it's being pulled back, with some white body paint you can now extend your eyeballs. And I'm also lining my waterline. Your lashes might get in the way, but hey ho, what are you gonna do? I'm doing my staples with a bit of silver body paint. So then I'm adding a little bit of black eyeshadow, just a smidge, either ends of the staples. To make them look like they're going into the skin, you know. To finish it all off, I'm adding a tiny bit of blood, okay? I can't help myself. I'm gonna add a little bit of blood. So this is the one I'm using. There you go. This is the more liquidy one, so it will drip, so don't use too much. Unless you want to. I just wanted it to look more like it's, you know, open skin. It's dripping all over my hand. Whoops. I'm also using a little bit of blood gel. Now this is much thicker. It will stay where you put it, which is great. Whoops. My bottle just broke. Great. Just wanted to use a little bit in the corner of my eyes. Okay. Now, try not to get carried away with blood. I mean, I love blood as much as the next person, but you don't want to cover up everything you've just done. So I've added some tears, because why not? And I've added some blood gel in the corners where the openings are, because that's the deepest point of the wound. And since blood gel is nice and gooey, it adds a nice texture. So I like that. And you can definitely get blood gel to drip if you want to. But yeah, that's what I'm working with. For lips, I just want to have like a nice creepy smile. I'm starting with just lipstick. This is a MAC liquid lipstick in the shade Feel So Grand. This is a beautiful true red. Okay, so I'm overlining my lips quite a bit because it's meant to look kind of clownish, or just like a normal day on Instagram. And then I'm giving myself just a little bit of an extra lift, you know, big smile. Then I'm going over the outer corners with a little bit of black eyeshadow. add in staples. Cool. Here's the finished look. I don't know what you could use this for. Then again, do you need an excuse for this? Why not? Just go for it. And then with the skinniest angled brush that you own, which you can't see that. Come on, come on. So I think my neighbours have started working out. The people that live in the apartment above mine. And around this time, every time I sit down to film, they start jumping around. I think they're working out. I don't know what kind of workout that is, but good for you. My neighbours have stopped. I hope he's okay. Are you okay? Bye.